Hey everybody, Coach Sean. Sean Childs, top producing loan officer, aka the Realty coach to my real estate business partners and agents that I work with. I just happened on the phone with one of those agents, and she is a rock star. Amanda is one of the hardest working buyer agents that I've actually met in a long time. She's what I would call a Realty coach rock star, man. She follows the program, she's coachable, and she's out there. So she called me almost in tears about these NAR lawsuits, and I was really surprised, but I'm not so surprised because our industry hasn't changed in a century. We haven't changed since the beginning of time. We're the oldest industry in the world. We're older than prostitution. They had to do it somewhere, and we had to sell it to them. But on a serious note, market disruption is now hitting the real estate industry. Those 5-6% commissions, I think, are going to be a thing of the past. So here's what I want to share Amanda's story so you fully understand the magnitude of this and really what she's concerned about. So Amanda was out showing a buyer and showing him properties, and she's doing that now for 6 months. She called me and she said, "Hey, Sean, I just found the perfect home for these guys, but then I just found out that the seller in this particular case is only offering 1% commission, which they're allowed to do now based on this lawsuit." And she was genuinely pissed off and concerned because she's been knocking her brains out. She went to go get the comps. She showed the property 3 times. She asked them for all the information, and now she finds out she's really not going to get paid she's going to get paid almost nothing, basically. So, I said to her, I go, "Listen, there is a way and there is a solution to this. I just don't have the answer right now." And then I thought through it and I said, I hung up the phone. I thought, listen, you did 2,000 transactions over 25 years as a real estate agent before you became a loan officer. What'd you do differently, Sean? And what I realized was 85% of the business that I did, I represented the seller. And as the seller's agent, you actually control who gets paid what, when it gets paid, and how it gets marketed. So the answer for Amanda is, hey, you need to become a niche marketer. We're going to transition you from being a great buyer agent to become a niche and a real estate marketing expert. We're going to show you how to market and sell homes, and we're going to show you how to get paid more than anybody else. Because if you could just go in the app and you take the 10x personal success formula, we're going to show you how the average agent can go from 0 to hero in 90 days. How you can actually build a 6-figure income in 90 days or less. By the way, that course is free. It's cheaper than a cup of coffee. It's free. There's no lawsuits in it. You could just go grab it. And let's say you want to go from there, and now you want to insulate yourself from actually getting beat up from these lawsuits. The way to do it is control the inventory. So how do you control the inventory, Sean? I don't know how to be a listing agent. I don't even know how to market a listing if I get one. Guess what? You got a coach, you got a friend in the business. Pick up the phone, grab the app, tap the app, and grab the actual course. After you take the 10x real estate, 10x personal success formula, I want you to take the course on becoming a great listing agent in 90 days or less. I'm going to show you how to get 3 listings in 90 days and show you how to market and sell them like a hero. We're going to actually transition you from being a buyer expert to being a selling expert and controlling your destiny in the real estate business, no matter what's going on. And if that's not good enough, if you're an expert already and you already have some listings, but you're just not sure how to market them or what to do with this market coming up and it changes, grab the ultimate open house class. I'm going to show you how I took every open house. My average open house was $350,000 house. Normally, I would have made, $18,000. My average was 4 times what the commission was. $350,000 house, we made $47,000 from that one open house. How did we do it? Grab the app, tap the app, and grab the course. Grab the ultimate open house course, and I'll show you how to market homes like on steroids, how to get exposure to properties that you never thought possible. By the way, if you're a real estate agent and you work predominantly with buyers, you need to grab this course. You need to grab the app. And if you really get stuck, pick up the phone and call me. Guess what? I'm here to help you. I'm not selling you anything. I am a coach. I'm your coach, and guess what? The coaching is free. It's in the app. It's free. All you got to do is pick up the phone, tap the app. If you get stuck, call me, and I'll set up a call with you. I'll set up a one-on-one call with you that's confidential, and I'll show you how to go from 0 to being a hero in less than 90 days, whether you want to or not. Hey, we'll either see you at the top with us, or we'll see you from the top and looking down. And I apologize for that, but it's the truth. Grab the app and let us help you. Realty Coach, we're here for you. Tap the app, grab the course. We'll see you on the other side.